fluorescent hum and a coffee ring like a clock. You bent the pipe head like you bent my thoughts. Safety goggles fog with the same breath. Late night equations and the quiet of the tech. You laughed at my notes, I found your margin notes. Periodic doodles where the lonely boats float. We measured everything but the space between us. Then gravity did the rest and we forgot the fuss. I was reading data like it's some holy text, thinking I'd solve the world before I checked my chest. You pressed a button, lights went black, and then my wave function collapsed and it was you again. I fell in love in the physics lab, oh God, it's true. Like a photon finding out what light can do. You knocked my hypotheses right off their stand. And now I'm a fool with a Bunsen flame in my hand. I fell in love in the physics lab with you. Your laugh was a spectrum across my tired night. Scatter plot smiles in the microscope light. We mapped our scars in the margins of a grant. Turned calibration into the closest thing to dance. You said if love's a force, then let's test the law. I agreed, signed my name with a trembling psst. Oh, we were two orbitals in a crowded space. A little unstable but perfect in its place. I kept expecting data to explain the ache, but your hand in mine was the only proof I'd take. We ran the experiment till coffee ran dry, and I kept finding reasons not to say goodbye. I fell in love in the physics lab, who would have known? Like an electron choosing a place to call home. You rewired the circuits that I'd labeled safe. Turned my careful notes into a reckless faith. I fell in love in the physics lab with Heisenberg says I can't know every little thing, but he didn't feel the way your laughter rings. Call it quantum, call it chaos, call it sloppy art. I trade certainty for you and the beat of your heart. Wrap me in a lab coat like it's Sunday prayer. We'll sign the binder with an awkward honest swear. It's too low break, slow cinematic swelling strings. I fell in love in the physics lab and the data's clear. Your name's the constant I keep drawing near. We'll write our paper on how two fools combine. Publish a poem with margin notes in the lines. I fell in love in the physics lab with you. Yeah, I fell in love in the physics lab with you. Lights dim to amber, the centrifuge sighs. We lock the door on 1,000 tiny lies. If anyone asks how the whole thing began, say a clumsy heart and a steady hand, and that atom's kiss when no one's looking. True.